Good afternoon, guys. Welcome to Update Study Practice channel. We are discussing about analogy. In analogy, there are 9 types. We saw 2 types. Now we are moving to third type. Choosing the analogous pair. Example: cigarette, tobacco. Example: cigarette, tobacco. In cigarette, they use tobacco. In similar, we have to find from the option. Cigarette contains tobacco. The same we have to find which contains which. Can you find? Cigarette contains tobacco. Milk contains bottle. No, it's wrong. Milk contains bottle? No. Cigarette contains filter? No. Shoe contains socks? No. But in coffee, caffeine is present. In coffee, caffeine is present. In cigarette, tobacco is present. In coffee, caffeine is present. So A is the right answer. In milk, bottle is present? No. Milk will be poured into the bottle, not present into the bottle. Within the milk, bottle is not present. Within the bottle only milk is present. Like that only we have to find. Another example. Bird flies with wings. In similar, we have to find from the 4 options. Paper. Example: bird flies using its wings. Whale uses water. No, there is no similarities between whale and bird. Yeah, of course, in water only whale is present. Dog using lungs? No, there is no similarity. Lungs is different term, dog is different term. Car and wheel. Yes, car uses wheel to travel, to rotate and to travel from one place to another place. Pen, paper. Using pen, we can write in a paper. So, bird using wings to fly. Whale uses water. No, in water only whale is present. Whale is swimming only in water, in the presence of water. Dog, lungs, no. But see here, car, wheel. Car can drive using the wheel. Without wheels, car can't start. It can't move from one place to another place. Without wings also bird can't fly. So car, wheel is the right answer. Okay, can you understand? Without wings bird can't fly. Without wheel car cannot move from place to place. So this is the right answer. This kind of choosing an analogous pair is one type, which is third type. Then fourth type. What is fourth type? Double analogy. Double analogy. Example: first, distance. Kilogram. Second, for first they give an option as 1 for 2 meter. Within the first term they given 4 option: 3, 0, 4, travel. For the second option they given a 4 term: A, heavy, B, ounce, C, weight, D, noise. Distance, kilogram. How we can measure the distance? We can measure the distance by using meter. 1 is to distance. We have to find this 1 and then we have to find this 2. Distance and 1. For distance, we can measure the distance using meter. And for kilogram, weight. Am I right? We measure the weight using kilogram. Half kilogram, 1 kilogram, like that. I mean distance. While we traveling, we can measure the distance using its 1 meter distance. It's a 100 meter distance, like that. We can measure it now. That's one. So 1 is meter, and then for 2 kilogram can be measured by using weight. So answer is, so first distance measured in meter, and for second kilogram, weight can be measured by using kilogram. Hence the answer is 2C. 2C. Okay. Now another one example. First is gum, warm is to 2. For 1, they give an option as bottle, brand, and third, for third, loaf, fourth, tree. And for second, they give an option as A, silk, B, insect, C, cocoon, and then D, thread. So gum and worm, and they given same method of example 1 and 2. We have to find the relationship between 1 and gum and worm and 2. So gum, where we can obtain gum? From tree. And then worm, from worm we can obtain silk. Am I right? Gum, which comes from tree, and the silk, which comes from worm. Of course, worm is an insect. Thread, but not thread. We can't obtain thread from worm. We can obtain silk. Okay. So the answer is 4A. We can obtain gum from tree and obtain silk from worm. So answer is 4A. Another one example. In double analogy pair, this is the third example. Dash is to the most as worst is to dash. And the options are much lost, more lost, least best, many best, and then last option is many worse. Dash is to most and worst is to dash. So here they asked in an opposite manner. Dash is to most, least is to most, and the worst is to best. I think this is the answer. Check out with other option. Much is the most. No. Worst as to last. No. There is no opposites. For most and worst, least and best must be the correct. More is to the most, worst is to the last. No, they are same meaning. Many is to the most and worst is to the best. Best is right, but many, it's wrong. Then many is to the most and worst is to the worst. This is also the meaning. But least is to the most and best is the worst. Must be the right answer. Okay, can you understand the term? This is also an example for double analogy, but in opposite manner. Okay, least or most, worst, best. Both are in opposite nature. I think you can understand the sum. So here we conclude. Tomorrow we can see with more examples and more types. They are up to 9 types now. We have seen only 4 types, but it's easy one. We have to remember the basic things in every subject, basic terms, basic conditions, basic knowledge. We have to know about that. Then only we can easily click the answer. Okay. So tomorrow we can discuss with other types. Thank you. Happy day. All the very best. Please share and subscribe my channel. Bye.